Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will explain to you about power failure recovery function for the EPS cutting line. When the EPS cutting line encounters a sudden power failure, the system will prompt whether to continue the last cutting on the touchscreen after the power is turned on. Choose yes. That is, you can continue to run the EPS cutting line from the place where the power failure occurred last time. However, there are two places in the cutting line except for the destacker and stacking stations, assuming that both destacker and stacking are clamping during the power failure. Destacker station. After a sudden power failure, the original clamps will be loosened because of the power failure. And at this time, the EPS boards in the destacker station have already dropped on the roll surface or lower layers EPS boards, and those dropped in the destacker station need to be manually sorted out by the worker. The entire destacker process does not need to be emptied. Stacking station. The clamps do not retract after a power failure, but the counting function is disabled and the stacking loses its original position. Workers manually operate the touchscreen to control the stacking clamp, lower it to the roller surface, and release the EPS small package. Worker manually empties the stacking station. The stacking station is reset. The worker manually puts the EPS packets back into the stacking sorting station conveyor. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.